What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, back with another video, dropping nothing but you already know. Right now I am in LA at the Mastermind. You can see here Vince's Lambo behind me. We're in this super sick mansion, which I'm going to show you around in a moment. Everyone in this house, every single one of these speakers in this house are doing at least 6 or 7 figures per month with their ecom stores, right? We're going to meet a few of the people inside. I'm going to be talking a little bit later. We've got tons of students that are coming along to the event. It's going to be super sick, so make sure you watch all of this vlog. So I'll see you shortly. So as you can see, this house is absolutely insane. It's crazy. You're gonna meet some more speakers that are here. I think this house is actually like $6 million to purchase. We've got some more speakers passing through, popular YouTubers as well. Arie passed through last night and he's gonna be coming today, so I know that you'll see him in the vlog as well. Tristan as well, my boy all the way from Australia, flew over here. He's gonna be in the vlog as well. He's speaking, and yeah, it's just good to, you know, bounce around and get energy off people who are absolutely crushing. And of course, this house is absolutely goals. You know, this is obviously what we all hustle for, what the late nights are for, what everyone's grinding for. I'm pumped to see the students come through when they all start arriving soon. I'm gonna go get some breakfast and we'll catch up when the main event starts to kick off.
Underground Earners event today is gonna be crazy.
I know, right?
It's about to be crazy, bro.
And you was one of the ticket winners, right?
So I won.
You came out here
like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
It just happened like boom, boom, boom. Even now, like it's still crazy. Like I was telling Jordan, like, yo, this is like, it's real now. Like, and then being here, like surrounded by everybody, like, come on.
It's insane. And yeah, that's what I'm saying. The event ain't even started yet. So once you,
like,
it's like
the
already.
energy is like through the roof.
Yeah.
Like it's crazy.
Snap your mama with that mango pineapple sauce. And of course, we got our grilled roasted cauliflower with that broccolini, with that salt, baby. Oh! All right, damn. Here's how we gonna do it. Line up right here, winner, chicken dinner. Come on, get it.
What's going on, guys and girls? This Justin Welch here, just eating salmon.
Justin Welch here with the best couscous money can buy.
So we've just finished and wrapped up the whole of the event. It's been absolutely insane. Of course, we've got some very familiar faces here, as you can see in the back.
What's going on?
Arie, what's poppin', dude?
Not a lot, man. Just finished up the event, had an amazing time. You already know.
If you didn't make it out to this one, then make sure you make it out to the next one. Underground Earners is going to be something that is going to take over the whole world, especially when it comes to e-commerce. So, peace and love. So currently here on Rodeo Drive. This place is insane, so obviously you'll literally see Rolls go by, Lambos go by, Ferraris go by pretty much every couple of seconds. It's insane. I'm not really a flashy guy, however, you know, being out here inspires me to level up because there's a ton of wealth of people walking up and down these streets. So yeah, this sort of place helps inspire me. So that's why when I get home, I'm gonna be hustling harder than ever.
What up, what up, what up?
So we're out here at Venice Beach with the boys just playing some football. And when I say football, I mean of course actual football. Let's not have this debate. This is football, you play it with your foot, therefore it's football. However, of course, Justin says football and is on about that stupid brown egg thing. So yeah, we're just out here getting it cracking, exploring, living life as you do.
Show me some, man. It went this way.
Cheese!
Do 27. All right, guys and gals. Harry's about to go in for the kill right now, guys. We blow past our goals here in Underground Earners. Oh. There you have it, guys. That's what it is. That's how we do it.
So we're still here just chilling at Venice Beach. I have no idea where the boys are. They're just coming back now. But yeah, it's been a super chill day at Venice Beach, chilling, playing football, soccer, rode the bikes all the way down to the skate parks. I think we're probably just gonna get some food and have a quiet night tonight, tomorrow. Not entirely sure what we're gonna do. Don't ask me why I'm sitting in the boot of the car.
See you guys at, oh yeah, reset 6 p.m. Are you guys good for 6 p.m.? I'm bringing them. Yeah, okay, cool.
Today we are, I think we're going jet skiing, so I'm gonna take you guys along for that. Justin, his business partner, I think a few of the guys as well are gonna come, and we're just gonna hang out, jump on some jet skis, have some fun, and we'll get it cracking. So we're out here. If you want to know what the hell I'm wearing, it's big drip. No, I'm playing. We're out here doing some jet skiing. Me, Justin, Van, and my bro. So yeah, I've got the whole suit on. We're about to go do some jet skiing for a piece, and then head back to LA. Took about an hour out. The weather doesn't look fantastic at the moment in time. It's kind of grey, but yeah, man, let's jump on some jet skis, have some fun. Hopefully we don't fall off. Just enjoy the time.
What? Pull out my what? We've tried to do GPS,
yeah? Bro.
Stop
GPS works.
because GPS goes up there. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, so we have to come back out the park to go around this way.
GPS where?
What's it? GPS, because obviously
To what location?
fam, I don't know which location, but
Holy
we need to GPS.
shit, bro.
We need to GPS to the right location, man.
Yeah, you keep saying GPS, but we don't know.
GPS works. Yeah, but you can just walk. This is what I'm trying to say. We can just walk.
GPS, bro. From here to there, it's gonna be about an hour and a half walk. You know, no, more, not even that. From here to the bottom of there is gonna be about an hour and a half walk, an hour walk, and then to up the fucking mountains another hour and a half. If we don't start now, we're done. And you keep saying GPS, but GPS where, bro? GPS Hollywood sign. What is it?
Bro, you just look on the GPS, man. Alright, so we're at Runyon Park, and we wanted to go and see the Hollywood sign, and it took about, I don't know, 30 minutes to actually get here, only to find that we are nowhere near the Hollywood sign. Boom! That's the money shot right there. So yeah, we finally made it here. We're probably gonna go up a little bit further. It's getting a bit busy here, as you can tell. There's a few people here coming along trying to get obviously the money shot. Stupidly hot out here. My back is absolutely sweating. But yeah, we'll keep it moving, see if we can get any closer, potentially try and go around the back of it so we can see the whole of LA. That would be pretty cool. So yeah, we'll keep trekking and see where we head to. So that's it. I am not going any further. Hollywood signs there. I am absolutely sweating. My t-shirt's wringed, soaked, back soaking. This water bottle is now hot, so yeah, I need to head all the way back down because yeah, tired as hell. So it's officially time for me to head back to the UK. I'm kind of glad that I am going back to the UK right about now, because I've been so out of focus of working that I just want to go home, hustle hard, and just absolutely crush Q4. The Underground Earners event went absolutely insane. It couldn't have went any better, and I just want to say thank you to anyone and all of the attendees, all of the staff, everyone who actually came out to the event. If you missed out on this event, then make sure you are at the next event. We've got some big things coming. LA is absolutely insane. I've met tons of people across this week who's inspired me to work and hustle harder. I've grown my network, and that's one of the main reasons why you kind of travel to these events, is I've met so many people at the event, which has just helped me grow my network, you know, at my level or higher than my level, to help me hustle harder. If you enjoyed this video, make sure of course you like, comment, and smash that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll be back dropping nothing but you already know. Value bombs, take care, and I'll see you later.